Large intestine 5 is located on the back of your hand at the level of your wrist. To locate large intestine 5, extend your thumb like this a few times. Then follow your thumb down to your wrist like this. You'll be between two tendons. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is large intestine 5. Activate this point by rubbing it quickly 5 times. Take a break for count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate large intestine 5 on your other hand.